Assalamu alaikum. Today I will be teaching you how to make delicious potato samosas. They are the most delicious, unique way of making these delicious samosa for the Ramadan. So let's see how to make this delicious samosas. So here is the list of things that you will be needing for this delicious samosa recipe. First, you will be needing this burrito tortillas, flour tortillas that I've took from Walmart, and it is home style flour right here, and they are about 12 count. So when we cut in half, you can make 24 samosa out of this. I have 1 cup of green peas over here, 3 big green chilies. Over here I have 10 potatoes right here. They're all size. It varies, 10 of them. I have 1 bunch of green cilantro. Okay, over here I am using Shanka chaat masala, about 1 tablespoon I will be using. And also you will be needing 1 large onion. So we can get this burrito right here. We are getting this from Walmart right here. So over here, let me show you. I have teaspoons, so I'm using about 2 teaspoons of salt. So it varies how much your own taste for the salt is. And haldi or turmeric, I'm using about 1/4 of a teaspoon. And over here I'm using crushed red pepper. I'm using 2 teaspoons full. And red chili powder, I am using level 2, because I'm using green chilies as well. So it's up to you how much chili you want to add. And whole cumin, I'm using about 2 teaspoon level here. And of course I'm using chaat masala, Shanka. I'm using 1 tablespoon of that. So here I'm using about 2 teaspoon of chaat masala here. So I'm done. So over here I have boiled, I am boiling these potatoes in a large pot. Add a lot of water and just throw the potatoes in there. Let them boil for about 15 minutes. And they should be done within 15 to 20 minutes on a medium flame. So it has been about 15 to 20 minutes and the potatoes are completely done, as you can see right here. So now at this point I will take them out and put them in the cold water. So now just put some cold water on it and let them cool, and then I will peel off these potatoes. So right now we'll just cut the cilantro, and when you cut it, make sure it's completely dry it with the towel. And I'm cutting the stems as well, so they should not be very big pieces. I'm just showing you how thin it should be. See, it should be very thin. And also I will be showing you how to cut these chilies. So the chilies also, green chilies also, it needs to be cut into very small little pieces. You don't want to cut them really big. So this is the size what I'm looking for. You should be cutting. And here you go the onion. Onion also has to be chopped in a julienne way. And I'll show you onion also, what size to cut. Here you go. So onion also we'll just chop up into very small little pieces, as you can see. Here you go. So chop them up like this, and not very big chunks. That's what I'm trying to say, that this is how it should be right here. So over here I have took a skillet right here, and vegetable oil, I have taken about 2 tablespoons of oil here. Do not put too much oil, 2 tablespoon oil, and that's all. Over here I have mixed all the onions and green chilies and cilantro. Do you see that? And now I will add all this into this 2 tablespoon of oil. So now Rizwana is sauteing this whole thing for 5 minutes on a high flame. So let's see. So now all these spices that I had, I'm just going to add them, all of it in. So now just for 30 seconds or to 1 minute, we will just mix it well, like that. And do not overcook it, do not burn the spices, just for 30 seconds, and then close the flame. That's all. And also I added just a little bit of, here I'm adding just a little bit of water in there as well. Maybe 3 to 4 tablespoons of water, and then just stir fry it. So now I will take out all this masala and let it rest. Now in the same pan, I'm adding the green peas, and I'm adding a little bit of water, 1/4 of a cup, and just stir fry it like this for only maybe 1 minute or 2, and then take it out. That's all. So now they are cooked, and we are mashing them. Like half of them we're gonna mash, and half of them we leave it like that. So they are soft enough, so we're mashing them, and now ultimately we're just gonna take them out. Now I have took the peel off from the potatoes, and I have cut them into very small pieces. So now I will mash half of them with my hand like that. See, I peeled off, and now, so don't like half of them I will not mash, and half of them I will mash it with my hands like this. See, just mash it. Don't mash the whole complete bunch. Half I will mash, and half I will leave it as it is. So now we are just mixing everything together, and I'm putting all the potatoes in there as well. So now mash it with your hands like this. Mix it well. Taste for the salt. If you need more, add it. And here you go. I am done. So here I'm taking about 2 tablespoonful white flour, and I will make this into a paste. So I will add like maybe 6-7 tablespoons of water, and then just make it into a paste. So here I have bought this parchment paper. So I have put this parchment paper on the top, and now I will place the samosa on top of this paper so it will not stick. So let me show you how to make the samosa wrap. So we're gonna now fold it into half, and now I will cut the edges into a moon shape like this. Just like this. So here you go. Edges, we have cut the edges. Now fold it the other way, this way, and now cut it from the middle like this. And now take one, and remember we made the paste, and we'll put the paste on one side, and we made the cone like this. Here you go. We have a perfect cone now. And now we are adding the potatoes in the samosa. Maybe 2 tablespoons most should be enough for the filling. Do not overfill. And now put the paste all around. And now see how she's squeezing it, and squeeze it from all ends like this. And the samosa is, just press it And the samosa is done right here. So here you go. We have perfectly beautiful samosas ready to fry. So now I'm taking this half. This is another way to make this samosa, which is easy. If you're finding it difficult the other way around, just 1 scoop of this tomato, and then just fold it on the other side, and then just take this little bit of the paste, put it on the sides little, and that's it. And then just press it like this, firmly, press firmly, because this will be the crust of the samosa. So make sure you firmly crust it like this. Press it all the way like this, and look, this is another way to make a nice crispy samosa. So over here in a small little karai, I have added this samosa into the boiling hot oil, and just fry it on both sides, just like that. Mostly if it is not frozen, so it takes about less than 1 minute to cook it. 20 seconds on one side and 20 seconds on the other side. So just let it cook. And also I have not used too much oil. I took a small karahi, a small wok, and I'm just making this samosa in that. Look at this beautiful color within 30 seconds. Strain the samosa and place it here. Look at this beautiful samosa, how it came out. It's crunchy, it is so crispy. And try to make it this Ramadan and let me know how you like it. And please do not forget to subscribe my channel for more delicious recipes. Thank you. So here you go. I have placed all these uncooked samosas on the parchment paper, and I put them in the freezer and now overnight, and look how they are frozen now. And I have put them in my Ziploc bag just like this, and I will just close this and I'll put them in the freezer, and whenever I need it, just take out a few of these samosas, let them thaw out outside for about a couple of hours or so. Once they thaw from inside, then you can just fry them.